Singapore is acknowledged internationally as a world-class cosmopolitan city to work, live in and to visit. Our buildings have contributed a large part to this status. The real estate management and maintenance industry is involved in the aftercare of our buildings. It plays a strategic role in ensuring that our buildings operate efficiently and in preserving the quality, functionality and values of homes, offices, tourist attractions, shops, factories and healthcare facilities. The industry supports environmental sustainability in extending building life and in reduction of energy usage.
To ensure Singapore's competitiveness as a global city, real estate management and maintenance industry plays a strategic role toward enhancement of real estate value. The demand for the remaining staff is definitely very strong. There will be more new buildings to be completed over the next 3 to 5 years. The master plan of 2008 just unveiled this year May. There is additional 9 million square meters of commercial space and additional of 300 over 1,000 units of residential over the next 15 years. We need to have more experienced management and maintenance staff to service and maintain the standard of these buildings.
The diverse nature of real estate management and maintenance work, which ranges from financial to space, operational and occupant management, requires an interdisciplinary and cross-sector approach towards service delivery. The mainly indoor nature of real estate management and maintenance work and the stability of employment make the industry an attractive option for those seeking a second career. Given the labor-intensive nature of the work, workforce quality will be a crucial lever to achieve and maintain a competitive edge and service. The Singapore Workforce Development Agency works in tandem with the Real Estate and Construction Centre, or RECC, to develop the workforce in and for this industry. Established in 1993, RECC provides an alternative avenue for quality education research and advice for the real estate and construction industry.
With rising building operational costs and increasing demands and expectations of consumers, it's highly essential to develop a skilled, competent workforce with good customer service skills for the industry. WDA is pleased to have RECC as our valued partner to be delivering quality training and conversion programs such as the Building Custodian Program as well as the Property Officer Reskilling Program to meet the manpower needs of the industry.
The industry is fragmented and currently inadequately organized to deliver the required proactive service. The training attempts to develop an interdisciplinary, multi-skilled and multitasking workforce and cultivate an integrative approach to meet increasing service demands. RECC has developed a lifelong learning roadmap to facilitate continuous skills upgrading, employability enhancement and career progression from frontline work to operations and management work. The reskilling programs provide bridging training to cross over to the industry at various levels. Further progression for the reskilled has also been catered for in the lifelong learning roadmap.
The following showcases some of the jobs available in the industry. WDA provides employment facilitation and training support for those seeking to take on these jobs. The Building Custodian is a new job created by combining cleaning work with custodial checking and minor repair work. The multitasking building custodians are employed by building owners, cleaning or conservancy and maintenance contractors, and may work in residential buildings such as HDB estates and condominiums, and in offices, sports facilities and schools.
Building custodians in NUS provides a cost-effective means to respond to users in a shorter time. They also provide an extra layer of checks on the ground.
We supported the Building Custodian program firstly as a means to upgrade our staff and then give them opportunity to command a higher salary. In the new role, the building custodians are more motivated The benefits for the organizations were that we were able to offer another value-added service to our customers. Secondly, we were able to provide an avenue for our staff to advance in their career. Finally, it helps in our labor retention.
During my training, I learned painting, pest control, water jet high pressure, landscape, and also learn about common building defect. Every day I do cleaning the lift, children playground. Afternoon I must check the building for defect.
Property officers work for building owners, managing agents and maintenance contractors. They interact with building occupants, coordinate and supervise operations such as cleaning, security and maintenance work, and conduct estate inspections to ensure the safety and well-being of occupants. Property assistants support property officers and managers in administrative and occupant service function and custodial inspections when required.
I have learned new skills in real estate management and maintenance, such as managing people's needs in the condominium environment, which is totally different from what I did previously in hotel industry. The skill I learned is very useful because it's give me more confidence level to interact with the resident, understanding the resident needs, as well as to interact with my staff. I'm very happy with the job because the moment that you have serviced the residents and the resident come to you and say, thank you for your help, thank you for your assistance. So with the pat on the back, I feel very happy for them.
In the property management industry, there's been a severe shortage of people who are willing to enter this industry. So when I learned about this Reskilled Property Officers program, I felt that this was a very good fast-track program which will be able to retrain matured people who are able to handle residents in the estate as well as to control workers in the estate, because this will be a good source of supply. They also have administrative skills. Some of them even have managerial skills. So their performance has been very good in that they adapt to the job very fast. This pool of reskilled property officers have been a strength to the company. In fact, many of them have stayed on for a few years and the turnover rate has been very low. And they formed a very basic core of our pool of managers in our organization.
Building inspectors conduct regular inspections to assess building condition for maintenance planning and budgeting. They also conduct ad hoc inspections to audit the quality of new and existing buildings for handover and purchase. Building inspectors work for owners, managing agents and maintenance contractors. They may also be self-employed and offer building inspection services.
This training provides a structured system to inspect a building and enable objective assessment of building conditions and the impact of not attending to the defects. The inspection system allows my colleague and I to practice building inspection standardization, a procedure which was not possible before the training.
As a certified building inspectors, our staff can identify defects systematically and allowing defect stratification to be done quicker. Our staff will be more confident in their work and they can actually do work more efficiently.
Certified Building Inspectors provides Republic Polytechnic with objective inspection data, which is important for our planning and prioritization of maintenance work.
My service now is more professional. It contributes to the reduction of the breakdown maintenance and improved client and occupant satisfaction.
Singapore's global city status is projected in our buildings. The ambience and comfort achieved in our homes, workplaces, leisure and tourist facilities is testimony to the high technological standards and investments in Singapore buildings. The real estate management and maintenance industry performs the strategic role of ensuring that our buildings are sustained in pristine condition and upgraded to enhance their values. This emerging and growing service industry offers exciting job opportunities for for those seeking a stable employment with career progression and advancement opportunities. Join the real estate management and maintenance industry and contribute to Singapore's vision and goal of a vibrant and sustainable built environment.